The next website to explore is PubMed, which is the entry point to the most of biomedical literature. This is a database maintained by NIH. Let's look for articles about the p53 protein. Here you can see that there are over 70,000 articles, which you might say doesn't jive with what we just saw in Entree Gene. The difference here is that that was the Entree Gene page for the human version of p53. This is p53 from all species. But let's refine this search a little bit and make it more specific. We can use Boolean operators, and we can, if I can spell it correctly, here are articles that will be about p53 and apoptosis. And in fact, if we really want to narrow the search, we can insist that they are present in the title. And here we go, even 8,000 articles about using p53 and apoptosis in the title. Now, an easier way to build advanced searches would be here. We can start with saying p53. We want that to be in the title. We want apoptosis to be in the title. And perhaps even 8,000 articles scares us, so why don't we say we want review articles, and that would be publication type. So let's search for that. So that's a way that you can build complex searches rather quickly. And here there are only 116, so that's going to make it a bit more manageable. Now, generally speaking, these are in reverse chronological order, with the most recent articles first. We can change the way they're displayed. Let's display 200 articles with the abstract, and then we'll get a return here with an abstract of all the different. Here we'll see a listing of all the articles with abstracts, and often there will be links to the online journals. If you are on the BU campus, which I am not presently, you'll see that there are more links. So PubMed knows where if you're associated with an institution that has access to more journals. I'll pause here, I'll initiate the VPN, and then we can see BU's holdings. So I've connected now, and it might not be immediately obvious, but there are more links here. Okay, I've reloaded with the BU credentials, and now we can see almost all articles have links. Let's find a good one to go to. Here we go, Nature Reviews Drug Discovery. It will take me to the web page. You'll usually get the article in an HTML format, but you can usually download the PDF, and this looks like an article worth taking a look at. So I will save that here. And that is the basic way of accessing the literature. The other website which can help you find articles is Google Scholar. I guess we did p53, apoptosis, and then a difference here is that Google will return the results based on their relevance criterion, not chronologically, but you can create time ranges since 2010. And so we see there's about 23,000 results here. We'll look at all 6 versions, which really means 6 different links about the same article. You can see if we have access to it. Here is again the HTML version of the paper and the PDF version for a version with formatting. Google Scholar also has an advanced option which will help you find authors that have exact phrases, or particular authors, or particular journals. Okay, that's it for accessing the biomedical literature.